Choose windows and doors that minimize gaps and use durable materials to prevent pest entry in new home construction. Start by specifying multi-point locking doors and tight-fitting frames at plan review so contractors build openings to those tolerances. Multi-point locks pull the door evenly to the frame, reducing squeeze gaps that insects and rodents exploit. Order operable windows with insect screens sized to the exact jamb opening and ensure screens seat into a recessed channel so they cannot be pushed out from the outside. Specify sill pans and through-wall flashing at every window opening and behind exterior door framing to shed water and prevent rot that creates entry points for pests. Use door sweeps and threshold systems that maintain a continuous seal from sill to finished floor while allowing the door to operate. Choose thresholds made from corrosion-resistant metals or composite materials rather than untreated wood. Add storm doors over primary exterior doors where climate permits to create a second barrier and allow screened ventilation without opening the main door. Confirm that installation tolerances are verified at rough and finish stages and that gaps are sealed with backer rod and high-quality exterior sealant in a way that still permits periodic maintenance. The most common mistake is relying on paint and caulk alone, which fails when framing shifts or sealant degrades. Specify durable physical barriers like metal threshold plates and replaceable screen channels so small repairs are easy. A second common issue is poor coordination between trades, so flashing and sill pans are omitted or backwards. Prevent that by including flashing details in the contract documents and verifying installation during inspections. A third frequent problem is choosing low-density or untreated thresholds and jambs that rot and gap over time. Pick water-resistant materials and inspect seals annually and replace door sweeps at the first sign of wear. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers project listings focused on renovation details like pest-resistant windows and doors so we can help you find professionals who do this work. We also host a discussion community where we share installation tips and homeowner experiences, and our platform helps contractors find work by listing projects and fostering conversations with potential clients.